Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're starting an awesome project with a huge 152-inch diagonal screen from Screen Innovations. We have the new, latest, greatest Sony 4K projector. It's the new 325 ES, so we can't wait to get that bad boy up there. We're doing a custom rack in the corner, and we are doing a pair of rear speakers in the ceiling by KEF, the CI 160s, and we're doing all KEF T301s. We've shown you guys those in the previous videos. Those will be on the front wall, all underneath the screen for left, center, right. And we have a Sonance Impact 10-inch sub going over there in that corner. So we have several things that we're doing in here with adding plugs over to the corner for the rack. We're adding a plug over there for the projector and a plug in the corner for the subwoofer. So we got a lot going on. We're just getting started. So let's take you through and just show you some of the products as we get going. So I'll turn the camera around and show you real fast. All right, there's the back of the room. We took out the front seats for now just so we have enough room to do this big old 152-inch screen from Screen Innovations. This is actually a white screen because this room is primarily going to be used for movies, so the room is going to be dark. Now guys, we've shown you in previous videos if we're doing a room with ambient light or plenty of light in the room, we're using it for both movies and sports and stuff like that, then of course we would do a slate screen or even a black diamond. So he's even added the back of the room over here some blackout shades just to make sure it's completely dark. So this room is just for video watching in the nighttime or with the lights off. So we'll get the projector going back here. It's going to go back in that little soffit area over there in the corner. We're going to have where the screen, where the equipment rack is going to be with all the equipment. Of course, you got your sweet spot there in the middle of the chairs. Back on the corner is where the sub's going to go. And of course, this big blank wall is where the screen is going to go with the speakers underneath it. So here's all the equipment we got. The CI 160s. We have the strong rack. This is just an open rack, but it'll still look nice in the corner. We're going to run everything off the MX990 remote. It's nice and simple. Again, there is the Sony 325 ES, and we'll show you that as we get out of the box and get that going. We're going to run this whole thing with this Denon X1600H. And then we got the KEF T301. So guys, stay tuned and we'll get this going. We'll show you more as we move along.
Hey guys, it's Ronnie here with Great Choice Audio Video, and we just finished up this theater room that David started the video of, this awesome 152-inch screen. As you can see Kyler standing there, it really shows the size of the screen. And we also have our projector up here, and it is the newest model from Sony. And this is 4K, so everything we have over here is 4K rated in the rack. May be hard to see due to the lighting in this area. But we have a small open rack. We're controlling everything through a URC remote there. Alright, so now that we showed you the rack and the remote control, Kyler, why don't you go ahead and do the honors and hit us with some picture. Alright, so we have the projector on now and it is booting up. So it does have a warm-up process before it does show image. And this is with all the lights on in the room on full brightness. And you can see it starting to bring in the colors and show you picture. And we're going to have Kyler go hit the turn off the lights. And so we got all the lights off. And this is how most of the time this movie room is going to be used. Is with the lights off, shades are closed with blackout shades. So you'll be able to see everything really well. And it does pop actually once it starts to really warm up. As you can see, it's getting brighter. So hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and we just got this theater room finished up. Go ahead and remember to like and subscribe down below, and have a great choice day, guys.